So is there another thing next to P?
Yeah.
There's P, right? So what is 2P's equal to?
Square.
Is this division?
Oh.
Or is this times?
P squared.
We're timesing, right? So it's P squared, it's 2P's. Is there any Q's?
Yeah.
One Q.
There's one Q, is there Q on the other side? There's not, right? So we just add what?
Q.
Q. So for the first bit, this is our answer. That's not the final bit. What have you forgotten?
Divide.
Divide by 8. If you divide something, what can you also make it? Fraction. So how do I make this into a fraction? Minus 4P squared Q.
Negative 4P squared Q is the numerator and 8 is the denominator.
The 8 is the denominator. That's very good because that's the same thing as just saying negative 4P squared Q divided by 8, right? So always make, if you haven't written this down, write down the numerator divided by denominator. So for example, just write this down if you don't know. It's the same thing, okay? Write this down.
Where?
If you didn't know, in your paper, if you didn't know, this is what it just represents. So as you guys see, can I simplify this more, yes or no? Can I simplify it more? Yes. Aaron, how do I simplify this more?
You turn the you turn the 8 into a 4
8 into 4, okay.
and the 4 into a 2.
Okay.
Negative 2.
Can you make it smaller?
Yeah.
How can I make it smaller?
1P 2Q over 2.
So, what do I change it to?
Negative 1
Negative 1.
and 2.
And what does the bottom?
2.
2. Remember this, do I write the number 1 in algebra? No, right?
No 1.
Because this is saying 1 times P, which is just P. So what instead what I do is I get rid of 1 and just leave the negative. Do you guys understand this now? We do not need a 1.
Wait, why?
Because in, write this down, so in algebra, if you write 1 times P, that just equals to P. It's also equal to 1P, but in algebra you don't really use this, you use this more. Okay, so like x times y times 1, that equals to xy, right? You don't write 1xy. 1 is not relevant. Okay?
Okay.
Understood? So in this case, you don't need a 1. Just get rid of 1. Just leave the negative behind. Understood? So this is what you get for question G. Okay, H. H seems pretty big, right? H is a pretty big question. Let's have a go through it. Can I work this out or do you still have to write it?
Wait, but you remember, can't you just cancel out the P2?
P? Well, is there any P on the bottom? I thought you would divide by 8. You can't cancel out something.
No, but if you do P squared, it's going to be P times P. So
Yeah,
you
which
just
is P
cancel out
squared.
the-
No, you can only cancel out when you're dividing. Dividing like the thing. So this was a divide you could cancel out.
You cancel it out for here. No?
We cancel. Oh, because there's a P on the bottom. Is there a P on the bottom this one? There's not, right?